Hello, good evening. I just got home from work. I hate this stupid time change. I do not like it being dark when I get home from work. We're going to a last minute 80s prom party, Christmas party at the House of Blues, and I need to get ready. Well, first, I need to find an outfit. I mean, I didn't know we were going. It just happened today. I'm gonna go on the hunt in my closet for an 80s prom outfit. Ah! I totally forgot about this little dress I had. We'll see if I can find like a sweater and stuff for it to go with. It's kind of cold and my legs are white. I'm not tan. Oh, okay, we'll see what happens. I can't believe I have this little dress. Okay, I have a couple more options, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, I also found this gem of a dress. This actually used to be my mom's. And I still have it, but I'm a little tall, so this is just probably just a little bit too short. So we're gonna probably go with the other dress. Well, they also have this one too. This kind of has, not as big as puffy sleeves as they had back then, but a good enough puffy sleeve. And then this fun skirt with this big old bow, right? Oh gosh, it's not really bright colored though, you know? 80s is all about the bright colors. Oh, I'm so torn, what do I do? I have no time. Let's touch up the makeup. We're gonna add some bright colors and crimp, crimp, crimp. Well, I'm going to do lipstick and mascara in the car, and this is what's going to happen. This is as good as it gets.
Holy cow. Hey, brother.
Okay, so I 100% changed my outfit. Sadie, what are you doing? Oh my goodness, we just got home from the 80s party. It was our friend's party. They had extra tickets to this event and they texted us today and said, hey, do you want to go? And we said, of course we want to go. So we had so much fun dancing on the dance floor. I had to change my hairstyle up a little bit because the dance floor was getting hot and sweaty, so I had to tuck the bangs up. But it works. And yes, as I said, I did an outfit change because you know, I just got last minute inspiration, but we had to go, so I didn't have time to film it. It all worked out great. We had so much fun. They were playing such good music. They had a live band, which I never caught the name of. At no point did the band really say, hey, we're blah, blah, blah. Like, I would have loved to, like, tag them on Instagram or something, but they never really said what their name was, so I never really got to tag them. But they were so fun. The singer kept on coming out into the audience, and at one point he came up and was laying on a couch, and I took a selfie with him. Like, one guy came over, like, he sat on the couch, one guy came over and, like, kind of was, like, pretending to take a selfie with him, and then he just sat there for a while singing on his microphone on a couch, and he kept on saying, like, anybody else, and no one was going over, so I was like, I'll go over, and I went and took a selfie with him, so it was kind of funny. But, oh my gosh. You're never gonna believe what just happened. Sadie just ripped my fishnet. I lasted all night without ripping my fishnet. Do you see that? Sadie just ripped my fishnet. How dare her. I did get to take a picture with that guy, which I thought was kind of funny. And I wanted to tag him because that was literally mid-song that we took a selfie. And I wanted to tag him doing that, but I didn't know the name of the band. Alas, I guess I'll never know. Sadie, is it time for bed? You wanna go to bed? You wanna go to bed? I think it's time for bed.